Hello everybody, my name is Gary Yao, and today I would like to answer the question of where do buyers come from? Not to be confused with where do babies come from. So let's get started. For this, we're going to start with a pie chart. The biggest chunk of your buyers, 50% in fact, will come from the internet. So make sure that your agent that you're working with has a strong online marketing plan. Next, 28% will come from the agent, his past clients database. The remaining 22% is going to be fractioned into for sale signs. Oh shoot. For sale signs, word of mouth, and print. So you want to have a success in selling a house to the highest bidder, make sure that your realtor has a strong internet or online plan. This is Gary Yao, and I'll talk to you soon.